In this video, we will show you how to create and play in a ladder tournament on Battlefy. Creating a ladder bracket is just the same as every other bracket. There are a couple of unique settings, however. So once you create your tournament, you'll be able to create a bracket. Select Create a Ladder Bracket from the Bracket Creation menu. Give it a name, a start date, an end date, a start time, and a matchmaking duration window. If you were to start your matchmaking duration at 12 o'clock p.m. and set it for 8 hours, matchmaking will come to a close at 8 p.m. Additionally, you can also select the minimum number of matches to qualify, which we have set to 10. This means that if somebody has a record of 9-0, despite having a 100% win rate, they will not appear in the top portion of the leaderboard. They need to play at least 10 matches to qualify. You can set the rankings to win percent, as well as a few other options, and you can also select matches to be best of 1, 3, 5, 7, or higher. As a player, once the bracket is open, you'll be able to search for a match, and within a few seconds, depending on how many people are in the queue as well, a match will be found for you. Once a match is found, the Looking for Opponent button will change, and it will say Accept Match. Once both you and your opponent have accepted the match, you'll be able to play against each other. The button for Go to Match will turn red, and then you can proceed to the match screen. On the match page, you can proceed as normal. You can report your score. If your game supports, you can select which characters you used or which decks, and you can also upload screenshots if necessary. Once the scores have been reported, both players will be able to begin looking for a new match. And that about does it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment on this video. If you are a Battlefy organizer, you can click on the blue intercom bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of any Battlefy webpage to speak with a live support agent. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram by searching Battlefy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.